Assalamu alaikum. I hope all is well at your end.
Welcome to Sociology 3 in 1. In today's lecture, we will talk about the concept of society, that what is society and how it is being defined in the subject of sociology. The term society is most fundamental to sociology. It is used and described so many times in so many places. It is being derived from the Latin word socius, which means companionship or friendship. Companionship means sociability. Sociability is something living in society. According to George Simmel, it is this element of sociability which defines the true essence of society. It indicates that man always lives in the company of other people. Man is a social animal, is said by Aristotle centuries ago. Man needs society for his living, working, and enjoying life. Society has become an essential condition for human life to continue, survive, and thrive in society. We can define society as a group of people who share a common culture, occupy a particular territorial area, and feel themselves to constitute a unified and distinct entity. It is the mutual interaction and interrelations of individuals and groups.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you once again.